I'm going to show you how to replace windshield wiper blades on a B17 Nissan Sentra. That's a Nissan Sentra that's a 2013 or newer. For the B17 Sentra, you're going to need two different size wiper blades. You're going to need a 28-inch wiper blade for the driver's side, and then you'll notice the passenger side is much shorter at a size 15-inch blade. So to do this, I've gone ahead and selected the RainX wiper blades. I find that they've worked really well in the past for me, so that's what we're going to use. So let's go ahead and pop out the 28-inch, and we'll start with that one. With the wiper blades out of the package, you can look at the directions here, and you'll actually notice that this is going to use what they call the small hook style. And what that is the integrated size clip that's on this RainX wiper blade is going to go right onto the wiper blade arm. It will come with an adapter, which in this case we're not going to need. So all you need to do is you lift up the wiper blade and you'll see this little lever, and if you depress that and push it up, the wiper blade will actually pull straight off. Now to put the new wiper blade back on, you'll notice that the hook, the small hook that automatically comes on here, has one side that's a little rounded, and the other side with the clip. And all you're going to do is make sure that the round portion slides into the hook on the rounded portion of the wiper arm. Get it together, slide straight up, and you'll hear it click into place. Same function is going to happen on the smaller passenger side. Just depress that clip that comes on it. Go ahead, orient your new wiper blade right into place, and then you can actually slide the new blade right in, clicks into place, and now you've installed new wipers on the front of your Nissan Sentra. So thanks for watching. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. If you'd like wiper blades that'll fit your Nissan Sentra, go ahead and click down in the description. I'll have links to these RainX wiper blades. Thanks for watching.